Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about something that can completely change the trajectory of your life, especially if you're in your 30s. It's a decade where most people are busy, heads down, working hard for their next paycheck. But a very small, very successful group of people are doing something entirely different. They're not just earning money, they're building systems that make money for them. What's their secret? It all boils down to one powerful thing, a decision. Not a wish, not a hope, but a firm, unwavering decision made right now. There's a famous quote that says, all achievement begins with the fitness of purpose. Before you have the money, before you get the big opportunity, before you get a lucky break, you need a decision so powerful that it burns in your mind every single day. Most people say, I wish I were rich. They hope to win the lottery or stumble into some good fortune. But wishes are weak. Decisions are powerful. The moment you truly decide, really decide, that you will build wealth, you awaken something unstoppable inside yourself. You stop drifting through life. You stop living on autopilot. So let's do this together. Take out a piece of paper or open a note on your phone and write down your purpose. Something like, I will be financially free by age, and fill in the blank. Make it specific, but more importantly, make it emotional. What does financial freedom actually mean to you? Attach it to something that moves your soul. Is it the freedom to travel the world without checking your bank account? Is it the ability to provide an amazing life for your family without stress? Is it the power to give generously to causes you believe in? Is it simply the peace of mind that comes with living life completely on your own terms? This clarity creates power. When your mind is crystal clear on what you want and why you want it, your actions gain incredible force. You'll start seeing opportunities that were completely invisible to you before. You'll start acting with intention instead of just reacting to whatever life throws at you. Think about it. Every great fortune in history started with a single, clear decision. Carnegie, Ford, Gates, Musk. They all began with a simple but powerful internal statement, I will. You have to say it too. Don't wait around for motivation to strike like lightning. You build motivation with purpose. Your purpose is the engine. Your decision is the key. Turn that key right now and your wealth journey officially begins. Now let's get practical. Wealth isn't built on one giant paycheck. It's built on multiple streams of income that flow to you even when you're sleeping. Your 30s are the absolute perfect time to master this concept. Most of us rely on a single job, and that's a perfectly fine place to start. A job pays the bills. It keeps the lights on. But your job pays your bills. It's your creativity that will build your freedom. The wealthy think in systems, not salary. They're constantly asking, how can I make my money multiply? How can I create something once that pays me over and over again? So take a hard look at your current income. How many streams do you have? If the answer is just one, your employer, then you are in a vulnerable position. One layoff, one company downturn, and your entire financial world could be shaken. It's time to build additional flows. This doesn't mean you need to quit your job tomorrow. It means you start building on the side. Maybe it's a small business that solves a real problem you've noticed in your community. Maybe you can create a digital product or an online course that monetizes the knowledge you already have. Maybe you start making strategic investments in stocks, real estate, or even promising online ventures. Or perhaps you have skills that you can offer on a freelance basis to clients all over the world. Remember this, in today's digital age, your skills are the new asset. One single well-executed idea can be scaled almost infinitely online with minimal cost. The secret isn't waiting until you feel ready, because you'll never feel perfectly ready. The secret is to start right now with what you have. Diversifying your income isn't about greed. It's about creating security and ultimately freedom. When your money is working for you around the clock, you buy back your time. And let's be honest, time, not cash, is the ultimate currency of a wealthy life. So make a commitment today to start building your second income stream. It might start small. It might only bring in an extra $50 or $100 a month at first. But that's your first seed of independence. Water that seed with consistent effort. Nurture it with your focus. And watch it grow into your personal freedom tree. So what's the biggest roadblock? What's the number one reason most people stay stuck in the rat race? It's one simple four-letter word: fear. People are more afraid of losing a little bit of money than they are of losing their most precious non-renewable resource, time. And time is the one thing you can never ever get back. In your 30s, you have to internalize this critical truth. You don't need a fortune to start investing. You just need courage and consistency. Start with what you have. Even $100 a month invested consistently can grow into a massive sum over the years, thanks to the eighth wonder of the world, compounding. The earlier you start investing, the more time you have on your side, and the harder your money works for you. Compound interest is like a silent wealth-building machine. It's almost invisible at first, but over a decade or two, its power becomes absolutely unstoppable. So where do you invest? Look into assets that have a history of growth. Low-cost index funds and ETFs are a great starting point for beginners. As you learn more, you might explore rental properties or even invest in your own small business. The key is to study. Become a student of how money moves. The truly rich are not gamblers. They are educated investors. But remember, no investment will ever give you a better return than the investment you make in yourself. The courses you take, the books you read, the mentors you seek out, the new skills you acquire, these are the investments that directly multiply your future earning potential. Don't let the fear of making a mistake paralyze you. You will make mistakes. Everyone does. But every mistake you make and recover from becomes a priceless piece of experience. It is far better to lose a small amount of money while you're learning than it is to lose a massive opportunity by waiting too long. Your 30s are your compounding decade. This is the time to plant the seeds that your 40s and 50s will harvest. So invest early and put fear in its place. The wealth you're looking for is waiting for you right on the other side of one courageous decision. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope this sparked something in you. If you found this valuable, please give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next one. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What's one step you were going to take this week to start building your wealth? Let's start the conversation. See you in the next video.